have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound and vibration, call ringtone. You can select one of these default ringtones. You can choose from music, like any song which you have downloaded on your device. You can set it as your ringtone, or you can select from the recorder. I'll just select one of the pre-installed ones because I don't have any other. Let's listen to some of them. Okay, could be this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.